Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2022 Ford Ranger. So we've got the lake type dashboard and steering wheel. Guys, if this video helps you, all I ask is that you subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you can. Right, so into the reset. First of all, what you've got to do is switch your ignition on, press the engine start stop button, and then hold down the brake and the accelerator pedal at the same time. Now you need to hold these down for about a minute. So time yourself 60 seconds. You don't actually get any sort of warning chime or any message up on the dashboard. The only way you're going to know about it is wait a minute, switch your ignition off, switch it back on and see if they're reset. I'm not going to make you wait for the whole thing, but what I'll do is switch it off, start it up again. As you can see, we've got no service reminder up on the dashboard. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.